Well, you could when PulseChain goes live, you can use Coast to off ramp, and there is TrueUSD that you can exit with. TrueUSD is unique. Actually, Coast is a little bit modeled off of TrueUSD, actually, but TrueUSD, you go to their platform and you link your bank account to it. And whenever you do a wire transfer into your TrueUSD account, their system will mint you TUSD tokens into your wallet that you told them, right? It'll just do that automatically. So whenever you're like, oh, I got some money, let me wire it to my TrueUSD bank account. And then, within a couple hours or whatever, you've got the same quantity of TUSD in your Ethereum wallet. And you can go do whatever you want with that. And it's the reverse of that going out. So once you set up a TUSD account and you're like, well, I want to get value out, you just go to Curve or Uniswap. I suggest Curve. Go to Curve, pick up some TUSD, send that to your TUSD Ethereum address. And when it lands over there, what they're going to do is just that disappears. And their banking system will send you an escrow payment, a wire transfer that's labeled as an escrow payment, straight to your chosen bank account. Right. So it's just automatic. You're like, oh, I want to get some value out of crypto. Send that to TUSD, within a few hours. Wow, your bank account just has some money that just popped up in it. So that's a really cool system. Of course, there's crypto.com, which may or may not be a little riskier than Coinbase, but there's only so many ways to get out. The most important thing to remember in crypto when using any centralized entity is only use it briefly and don't put your whole bag through it, right? If you're trying to get $1 million out, don't send $1 million to any place. Don't send $1 million to Coinbase. Send like $50,000 at a time. I know it'll take you a whole bunch of 20 times, but send 50 grand at a time, several, throughout the day, and then do those wire transfers out to your bank account. Because what happens if you do send it all at once and it all gets stolen, or the exchange goes down, or they get a lawsuit, or the SEC tells them to shut down, or whatever, right? So just little bits at a time.